Next, actually replacing the air filter. Going to be replacing it with a K&N high flow air filter, and jumping right into it. There's two clips on either side of the air box. Pull them both down, lift up, and pull out your old filter. And then process of putting the new one in is the exact same as taking the old one out, just in reverse. Take it, place it in. Make sure you have both tabs. Push down on the top of the box and lift the clamps up. And that's how you replace an air filter on a 3rd gen Tacoma.